The other day, my friend was at a coffee shop sipping his favorite caramel latte and scrolling through TikTok when he overheard a conversation from the next table. Someone is going on and on about how they just hit a jackpot with their Bitcoin that they purchased years ago. Now, as far as he knew, Bitcoin was just internet monopoly money. But as he sat there and listened, he realized that there is a lot that he needs to uncover about this internet money, Bitcoin, and that it might just be the future of money. Luckily, you will not have to go through the same struggle as him. Since you clicked on this video, we will explain everything about Bitcoin from its beginning to its potential value in the future. Let's begin. Bitcoin's history is as fascinating as the concept itself. It was born in between a terrible 2008 financial crisis and was seen as a sign of hope and recovery for those who had been scammed and failed by the traditional banking systems. On October 31, 2008, an individual or group using the nickname Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This document basically explained everything about what would become the world's first decentralized digital currency. Designed to operate without a central authority, like a government or financial institution, the Bitcoin network officially launched on January 3, 2009, with the mining of the Genesis block, also known as Block 0. However, this was not just any block. This came with a hidden message. The Times, 3 Jan 2009, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. While a bit sketchy, the message clearly showed the financial instability of that era. It also made Bitcoin's purpose all too clear: to offer an alternative to the traditional financial systems that many felt were failing. Initially, Bitcoin had no tangible value. It was a concept, an experiment among cryptography experts. However, this changed on May 22, 2010, a day that is now regarded as Bitcoin Pizza Day. A programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz made the first known commercial transaction using Bitcoin, purchasing 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. At that time, this amount of Bitcoin was worth about $41. Today, those 10,000 Bitcoins would be valued at millions of dollars, showing just what a crazy journey this coin has completed. By 2011, Bitcoin began to gain attention, coming closer to the US dollar at $1. This was the first big achievement in the history of the coin, since it was now validated as a currency, not just a cryptographic experiment. As its popularity grew, so did its value. By 2013, Bitcoin crossed the $1,000 mark and was now the hottest topic among investors, technologists, and financial institutions. However, Bitcoin's journey was not without challenges. The Mt. Gox hack in 2014, one of the largest security failures in cryptocurrency history, caused the loss of approximately 850,000 Bitcoins and weakened the faith of many in the digital currency. Despite this, Bitcoin remained and recovered. By 2017, it reached nearly $20,000 thanks to the growing curiosity and interest of the people. Now, let's get to the question of the day. How much does Bitcoin cost right now? As of this moment, Bitcoin is trading at $93,524.32 per BTC. Yes, you heard that right. And with this price tag, the current market cap sits at 1.85 trillion USD. But that's not it. Just in the last 24 hours alone, the trading volume hit 64.05 billion USD, which goes to show just how happening the market is at the moment. Now, what do these numbers really mean? The market cap, or market capitalization, is the total value of all Bitcoins in circulation, calculated by multiplying the current price of Bitcoin by the total supply. With a market cap like that, Bitcoin is easily the big daddy of the crypto world. The 24-hour trading volume shows how much Bitcoin has been traded in the last day. A high trading volume often suggests a lot of interest and activity in the market, which can contribute to price fluctuations. Volume shows that it's a bustling, buzzing market with investors constantly buying and selling. However, Bitcoin's value is not a random number. It's a product of several factors. First, there is the age-old economic principle of supply and demand. Bitcoin supply is limited to 21 million coins, and as more people want in on the action, the limited availability pushes prices up. Demand is usually due to a mix of factors, including investor interests, adoption rates, and sometimes the current economic conditions. For example, When Tesla announced in February 2021 that it had splashed out $1.5 billion on Bitcoin and would start accepting it for their shiny electric cars, the crypto world went wild. Because this was not just any company hopping on the Bitcoin wagon, it was Tesla, the brainchild of Elon Musk himself. And while Musk would eventually back down from its promise in May 2021, it did give the Bitcoin market its prime time. Moreover, the flow of new Bitcoin into the market is controlled by mining difficulties. These are adjusted every 2 weeks to ensure that new blocks are mined roughly every 10 minutes. This mechanism keeps the rate of Bitcoin production consistent, even as more miners join or leave the network. Think of it like a treadmill that speeds up or slows down depending on how fast you are running, to make sure you have a steady speed. Competition from other cryptocurrencies is another factor that sometimes affects Bitcoin's price. While Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency, it's far from alone in the crypto universe. Ethereum, for example, offers smart contracts and decentralized applications, drawing investors who are interested in these advanced features. A real-world example of this competition affecting Bitcoin's price happened in 2017, when Ethereum's initial coin offering, ICO, boom gained a lot of attention and investment. During this period, Bitcoin's share in the market dropped significantly as investors explored the potential of these new projects. However, the most exciting Bitcoin's price dynamics is probably the halving events, which occur approximately every 4 years. In these events, the rewards for mining new blocks are cut in half, reducing the amount of new Bitcoin entering circulation. This controlled entry often leads increase in prices. It's similar to what happens when a brand releases a limited edition product. The excitement builds, supply decreases, and demand increases, hence boosting the price. Lastly, what has really helped the Bitcoin grow in the past few years is the introduction of Bitcoin-related financial products, such as exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and future contracts. These products offer traditional investors a way to invest in Bitcoin without dealing with the confusion of owning and securing the digital asset themselves. The launch of the first Bitcoin futures market in December 2017 on the Chicago Board Options Exchange, CBOE, was one such event. It opened the floodgates for institutional investment in Bitcoin, and the price spiked insanely within a few days. Now, while Bitcoin sure is fascinating in regards to its value, it is not the only interesting aspect of it. For example, we already mentioned that 21 million is the maximum limit of Bitcoins that could be mined. Currently, the world has already dug out around 19 million Bitcoins, which leaves us with just 2 million more to be discovered. Interestingly, due to how mining works, we might never hit exactly 21 million. Why, you may ask? Well, while 900 coins are mined every single day, we will not likely reach the end mark by the year 2140, thanks to the way the network is built, which ensures that the mining speed slows down every now and then. But what if we do hit the cap? In that case, miners will not get new coins as rewards. Instead, they will earn from transaction fees. And if that happens, who will have the most amount of coins? The answer to that is currently a bit of a puzzle. Among individuals, tracking the richest Bitcoin holders is tricky because Bitcoin wallets are anonymous. You can see what's in a wallet, but not who owns it. However, currently, Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin's mysterious creator, is believed to have mined over 1 million Bitcoins. On business levels, Tesla and MicroStrategy have always made headlines with their Bitcoin buys, but they still don't have the top spot yet. Yes, you heard that right. A private company, Block.one, based in China, tops the list with around 140,000 Bitcoins. And that's a wrap on our Bitcoin journey. From the current value of the Bitcoin to how many are lost forever, we have covered it all. And we hope you had as much fun watching as we did sharing this video about the world of Bitcoin with you. Remember, Bitcoin is not just an online currency, it's a revolution. And now you are part of it too. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and drop a comment if you have any burning questions or thoughts on Bitcoin.